Hi, my name is Teri Ijeoma, and welcome to my home. Come on inside. I never thought that I'd have water outside my home, but here it is, and it's actually the most calming entry that you'll ever have. I especially love the waterfall because you have this nice, soothing sound as you're walking in, and you can hear it inside of the entryway as well. This is the foyer of the home. You can see that it opens up to these beautiful views of the infinity pool and the luscious landscape and the water and the beach. That is the most calming, beautiful view. One of the cool things that I also love is all the different textures in the home. The way that they've decorated is very minimalist, but it's still comfortable. And then even these rocks on the wall and the artwork shows you how tall and beautiful the ceilings really are. So I think these are about 38 feet. This living room is more of the formal living room, and then I'll take you next door to see more of the family room that also has the dining room and where more of the get-togethers will be. Here in the more family living room, you have a beautiful dining table that sits a ton of people. And I love the dynamic setup of this. All the chairs still lean in so that you're talking and having a genuine conversation. And if you look up at the wall, it feels like you're taking the texture from the couches onto the walls, and it makes it so much warmer. This kitchen can actually fit comfortably at least 20 people. So it's really like its own special space, which is really nice. All right, now let me take you into the movie room. It's very long, so it gives you a chance to feel very conversational with all of your friends, and you get a little bit of really cool pattern in here, and they took it up all the way into the pillows. This house has 5 bedrooms. There are 4 guest suites, each having their own bedroom and then also bathroom, and then there's one huge master suite that I can't wait to show you. So this is one of the guest bedrooms. They're so cute. They have like the bed with this really nice wood there. This room also gets a beautiful view of outside, and you can just walk out straight onto the patio. It's really nice too that these rooms are so large. They're big enough to have seating where you can just lounge out. So this bedroom is nice because it has 2 beds. That way I can have an extra guest. So we have 2 queen beds, but this one actually has a balcony. So you can sit down and look up to the rainforest from outside. Now we'll head upstairs. And you gotta pay attention to these lights. These lights go all the way along the stairway. Now, if you get thirsty and you don't want to go all the way downstairs, the first thing is right behind you. We have a little kitchenette where you can get something to drink and also heat up your food in the microwave. I'm gonna need some water now. All right, let's go. This is one of my favorite guest rooms. It's located on the 2nd floor, but it has beautiful views of the ocean and the balcony. But just like the other rooms, you have a wonderful bed here, the side area to sit, these gorgeous windows that look like you're in the forest, and then we have the patio. Rest, relax, kick your feet up, and just look out at the beautiful lawn. Make sure that I check myself out, get my hair laid down. All right, you're looking cute, girl. This bathroom's really nice because it has a bathtub along with the shower. All the bubbles and all the water in this tub. And this is the guest bathroom tub. I might not get up from here. I think I'm just gonna stay. I'm glad I live here. Yeah. All right, let's go. Now we're heading to the final guest bedroom. And you see that you have like a great experience no matter what room you're in. But let's head to this one. Beautiful bedroom, nice little area to work from. Same kind of feel with the wood fixtures and the, oh wow, look at how pretty that lounge chair is. Something to note is the fixtures. These beautiful bubble-shaped lamps throughout the house. So this house is built for creators. Every spot is a beautiful scene for a really nice YouTube video or Instagram photo or Zoom video. Look at how gorgeous this wall is. And I'm matching. This spot is really cool because it's one of the only places in Puerto Rico where you can see both the rainforest and the beach at the same time. Now we're heading into the crown jewel of the house, my favorite place, the master bedroom or master suite. Come on in. First thing to note is the floor change. We go from the colder tile to this warm wooden feel in the bedroom. Let me try to think of a word to describe this. It is effervescent. Ooh. This is what I dreamed about and visualized myself waking up in every single day. So this is the bed, and it looks out to this beautiful view of the ocean. Like, check out the people down there walking and chilling. The other cool thing is from the bed, you can kick up your feet, and then the TV rises out. When I was in Dallas, the other thing that I visualized about this house was sitting at the office desk, looking out at the water and doing some work. So let me show you this incredible office space off the master bedroom. This is the master office. So you come into the bedroom, you have this beautiful, gorgeous desk, and then you can sit down and look at the beautiful view. I don't think I'm gonna get much work done here because I'm just gonna sit here and stare out the window. I have a feeling that I'll like open my computer, look at it, and then close it back down. Now let me show you the his and hers bathrooms. Can you imagine having this as a bathroom? And this is just for him. There's a his and hers bathroom off the master suite. And then check out the view from the bathtub. Okay, I'm about to show you the hers, which is my closet. It's a bit dirty, but come on in. Don't tell my mom, okay? Because she would be like, why didn't you clean your closet? This one has that beautiful view of the rainforest as well. So this is one of my favorite parts of the house. Just being able to wake up and then go out onto this beautiful balcony. It has chairs and a desk, so I can sit out there, do work, and just chill out. So this is an actual infinity pool because you can see over the edge, but it's also Olympic size, so I can do laps in the morning. Do you remember that circular theme on the lamps? Well, they brought it out here too with all the apples. You see the white apples, ceramic apples? And I can't wait to have some like grilled corn, and this outdoor space is going to be wonderful. But let me let you see the whole house in its glory from the back side.